Welcome, everybody. The 25th of September, we made a high at 2670. What a time to be alive. Now, we know what's going to happen after 2670. There's no reason to look at the 4-hour, the daily, the weekly, because we're just pushing up over here. So, anyway, we made a high at 2670. We rejected that. Now we're in this range of 140 pips. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, straight candle came down. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we have market structure all around. We have this support area. The reason why I'm looking at the 15-minute because there's just too much volume. I mean, if you do break below 26.56, you're looking at like a 48, 50 pip range for price move down to 26.51. So I think that could be a pretty good idea. But all those ideas are out of the question because we're moving bullish, right? So, I mean, if we can create some sort of a support, let's take a look on 30-minute. Yeah, okay. If we can create some sort of a support and, break above a high of the 30-minute candle, I think this is a range, or we can retest 2670. That's going to be the goal for today, to retest 2670, because we are moving into elections and there's a lot of risk around. Fucking Israel is throwing more bombs. So, I mean, whenever there's chaos in the world, gold just continues to push up. That's just how the market sentiment is. That's how it's programmed. If you do create support and if you want to sell at support, don't do that. Sell below 2656, but above this area here, just buys, so we'll see. But we're going to be doing the London session anyway, so we'll see you at London Open. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, buddy. All right, let's take a look on the daily time frame. Daily candle is possibly rejecting this area over here. Possibly we're rejecting this area looking at the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we do have a resistance formed on the 4-hour, and at the same time I guess we have a support formed. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame. There we go, we have some more information now. Awesome, we have this support formed. And so okay, so if we're looking at the 1-hour candles, you can see right over here as we're printing side by side, you look to the left hand side, there's this clean range here and there's a resistance at 192.800. So we're going to plot that out, 192.800, and that's about 27, 28 pips away. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, now we have some more information. I'm going to remove that top zone and I'm going to replace it with a zone like this. There we go. Right, awesome. So now things are much more clear. Before we had wicks over here, but now we have a solid resistance. And if we do break above, let's say 192.540, you have like a 26.30 pip range of price to move up. You can see how the ranges on pound yen are much smaller compared to gold because that's how it basically moves, right? So on the 15-minute, we can, 15-minute, I wanted to take a look at it, but it's just a mess over here. Yeah, it's just a mess. I mean, yeah, what are you going to do? It's just a mess. So we're going to stick to the 30-minute time frame. So in the 30-minute, we see you have a support. If you break below the support, 192.319. There's another support, 15, 16 pips away, 192.150. We break below this area. You have a support, 22 pips away. Sells are very difficult unless you have a candle that comes straight down, retraces, and then pushes down. That's going to be better. Straight down, retrace, push down. That's going to be better. Other than that, I don't know. If you want to look for a buy above, what's this price over here? If you want to look for a buy above 192.520, you got this, 28, 26 pip range. Should be good. But compared to that, if you look at gold, much better range. Wow, crazy range. Anyway, we're going to see you guys later on for the London session. So till then, be safe and yes, see you then. But price action on pound yen, not good.